So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Wednesday, the 28th of March. Now, let's just have a look what happened with prices and where prices may likely go. So we've had this strong sell side momentum come into this market here on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've came down towards its 104.65 level previously identified for seeing this move upwards, posted a higher low, strong move to the upside, breaking above this 105.55, and from this 105.55 we trade all the way up towards that slightly above this 105.80, and didn't quite get towards that 106, and we did get up towards the this 200 period moving average. We weren't able to close above it, from which we did see some sell side momentum taking us back below this 105.55. Again, we've seen the buy side momentum return into this market, so we've got a series with, after forming a bit of a base here and around a key important support level marked out in red, posted a higher low, had a rejection from 200 period moving average, and again we posted another higher low just here. I suppose we could consider this a higher low and this a lower low, but it's too small a move almost to consider. Similar to this one, it is difficult to consider it. It is a pretty small move. It's just merely a pullback, really, of about 2 or so candles. So I suppose there is a possibility of holding that, but I'll use this one here. So we have the low, higher low potentially. We'll see if we can hold on to this 105.55. If we can hold on to this 105.55 and break above and stay above this 200 period moving average, we're then looking for price to head towards that 106.32 while being cautious of the 400 period moving average sitting in around a key round number of that 106. There's a possibility to head up towards that 106 with the added confidence of the 400 period moving average and seeing that sell side momentum bring us back down towards that 105.55 to potentially find support. If, however, we are able to break above and hold above this 106, we're then looking for price to move up towards that 106.32. Can't anticipate prices moving much beyond there. The volatility on the US dollar Japanese yen has been quite low, but if we did move beyond the 106.32, we're then looking for price to move up towards that 106.95. If, however, we are not able to hold on to this 105.55, if we do see a breakdown in prices from this 105.55, we're then looking for prices to retrace all the way back down towards our key important level of the 104.65 here on the US dollar Japanese yen, a key important level that we have found support at before. It is important, hence the reason why it's marked out here in red. Don't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 104.65. The very next level beneath is 103.17, which I would expect it possibly coming to focus over a couple of days or so, or weeks, over the coming days or weeks. But those are pretty much levels that we are looking at here to the downside, particularly if we do see this 200 period moving average continue to hold as a dynamic level of descending resistance. A dynamic level of descending resistance as we have here. There is a possibility of us testing level, then breaking out to the upside. But if we do continue to hold, there is a possibility of breaking down, especially if we do hold beneath this key important level of 105.55. And we'll have a brief look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Whenever the daily chart will get scaled on here, correct? We're still operating in the shadow of this 20 period moving average, as we can see here. Rallies have been sold here on the US dollar Japanese yen. There is a degree of caution overhanging this market. So if we do see that move upwards, we'll see how prices react towards that 20 period moving average. We have seen some sell side momentum come off this 20 period moving average quite a bit here. So we'd had a test there. Test 20 period moving average, trade slightly above it. We weren't able to close above it with any significance. Closed above it slightly, but immediately we do see the sell side momentum here on this daily chart. So if we do see the bullish buy side momentum retake this 20 period moving average, we'll see whether we can hold above and stay above that level, or whether we do see that sell side momentum come back into this market. Now, the 20 period moving average here on the daily chart is currently sitting at let's just have a brief look. 20 period moving average is sitting in around at 105.99, so in around that 106 level. Again, where we do have that 400 period moving average is where we do have that 20 period moving average here on the daily chart. So we'll see if the decline continues, or whether we do form a bit of a base and we do see a bit of a breakout to retest those key important levels previously mentioned. And with that said, that wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.